Good morning, students. This is the second video of digital documentation. In this video, you will know the different steps by which you can insert an image to your document. So the topics are inserting an image using drag and drop. Next, inserting an image from the clipboard. Next, inserting an image using from file, inserting an image from the gallery, and the last one, modifying an image. So one by one, I'm going to discuss these all topics using openoffice.org because this the software is added in your syllabus. Okay. So first of all, I will go to OpenOffice. Already you can see the icon available on the desktop, or I can type here also. There I will get OpenOffice. Now, my OpenOffice has been explored. Now I have to work on the text document. Then I will click on text document. Now my text document has appeared on the screen. Now, first topic is inserting an image using drag and drop. See, actually my image is not here. Okay, and that image is stored in another location, and that image has to be brought, yes, to my document. So how I will do it? See, first of all, I will search that. So let me keep this one side. And now I'm going to search. Yes, document is, yes, download. So in download, I have kept a few pictures. Okay. Now let me make it this one 50% and this one also 50%. Okay. So that you can see both. Let me minimize also so that properly you can see. Okay. Now, batch OS. This is a graphics file. Okay. This graphics file to be added in my document. See, I will click and drag this one. My picture has come. Okay, this way I can insert an image. But if suppose instead of inserting an image, I should have a shortcut file, okay, of that one. Okay, the shortcut link you can say, yes, of this file. Then in that case, I have to not go, yes, with this process. Okay, yes, it is simply click click and drag. Okay, now I'm going to show you. First, let me save this file. File, save, give the name of the document as picture. And then save. Now, I will show you whether, let me close the OpenOffice and I will show you where is my picture. See, the picture has come. You see here at the top. At the top. Now I'm going to explore this picture. Actually, it is open in Word, so I have to give the location. Open with OpenOffice Writer. So only in OpenOffice Writer it will be. Now, watch carefully, my dear. Now, what I am going to do, I'm going to delete this batch OS file. Delete it. Now, see, I'm going to save this. Already it is saved, so I will close it. And now I'm going to open this picture. Is the picture available, my dear? It is available, but I will give you a new process. That here your picture will be inserted, but it will be a linked picture. It means if your original file is deleted, this picture will not work. Okay, so let me delete this one, bring that one from the recycle bin. Okay, now that picture has come. Batch OS, it has come. You can see it. Now I'm going to insert this picture, but this picture will behave as a link. So in that case, what I will do, I will use the same process, but in between, I will press these two keys simultaneously. Control, Shift, and drag it. Same way the picture has come. Now, I will save this picture. I'm going to close this file. Now, again, I'm going to open this picture. Now, whether the picture is showing or not. Yes, it is showing now. Now check it. I'm closing this one. Now the main original file I'm going to delete from there. That is deleted. Now when I will open, instead of picture, it will show a link. Just to see it. Because my picture has not been inserted. The link has been inserted with the picture. See, picture is not there. So I hope you have understood this topic. Okay, now let me delete this. Now the next step is to insert the picture. Yes, using from file. First I will click on insert, and then I will go to picture, and there I will select from file. Now I have to search the location, suppose real-time operating system. Select it and click on open. The picture has come. So this is the second process, but this process you can do by going to which menu, insert menu, which option, picture one, which sub option, from file. But if suppose you have your scanner attached, and with that you want that photo to be scanned and available there on my document, then you will use scan option. So I hope this topic you have understood. Now next one, how to insert an image. So from the gallery, my dear. Okay, already we have the picture inside. Okay, now I'm going to insert it. So for doing this, first of all, you have to go to tools, which menu, tools, and then click on gallery. Now you can see it is hidden, my dear. I have to make it visible. Okay, so it has come. Now one thing I want to just tell you, see, if I have to move this one, because it is taking more area, okay, on my working space. So in that case, I will click and drag it from there, so that I will get a separate window for the gallery, so that it will not take more space to my workspace area. Okay, now suppose I like this arrow to be added. So you have two ways. Either you click and drag it, first method, or simply you click the right mouse button and choose insert copy. This way also you can insert, yes, an image to your document. Now the last part, that is to insert an image using clipboard. Okay, so in that case what I will do it, any image that you want to insert, suppose networking operating system, this the image you want to insert it. Okay, first explore it. Yes, now click the right mouse button and choose copy, and here you come to this area and paste. Okay, so these are the different methods through which you can, yes, create an image, and that image you can paste it in your document, or with the image already loaded there in your system, that also image you can send. And not only that, what the picture that is already inbuilt, okay, already available there in your open office writer, that's such type of image shape also you can insert in your document. I hope you have understood these all topics, my dear. Thank you, my dear.